What if you could earn an extra $500 every month without working extra hours? And what if building that income didn't require picking individual stocks or constantly watching the market? In this video, I'll show you a simple ETF strategy that can help you work toward $500 per month in dividend income. The first thing to understand is that many ETFs don't pay dividends every month. Some pay quarterly while others have different payment schedules. So instead of focusing on $500 per month, think about generating $6,000 per year. This simple shift makes tracking your progress much easier. Using a typical ETF dividend yield of 4 to 5%, generating $6,000 annually usually requires a portfolio worth between $120,000 and $150,000. That might sound like a lot, but remember, nobody starts there. The key is building toward it one step at a time. Instead of focusing on the final goal, aim for your first $50 per month. Once you reach that milestone, your confidence grows. Then you build toward $100, $250, and eventually $500 per month. ETFs are popular because they provide instant diversification. Instead of relying on a single company, you're investing across many businesses and sectors. If one company struggles, the impact on your portfolio is usually much smaller. For most investors, ETFs offer a simple and lower stress way to build long-term wealth. The real secret isn't finding the perfect ETF. It's consistency. Invest regularly through dollar cost averaging and keep adding to your portfolio. And whenever possible, reinvest your dividends. Those dividends buy more ETF units, which then generate even more dividends. That's the power of compounding. Building $500 per month in dividend income won't happen overnight. But with diversified ETFs, regular investing, and a long-term mindset, it's an achievable goal. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Australian investing content.